Patterns in nature. I am so excited to tell you about a different collected patterns seen in nature. The word nature is commonly used word. It is used in a variety of contexts. Perhaps the most important reference is the multiple species of plants, animals, humans, and many more. Patterns in nature are visible regularities, a form found in a natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts, can be modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, spirals, fractals, tessellations, and Fibonacci. Have you seen the starfish? Ferns, butterfly, snowflakes. I know you've seen all those, but do you know what are these patterns called? These patterns called symmetry. Symmetry are when different sides of something are alike. Next would be fractal. Fractal is a never-ending pattern. This indefinitely pattern are self-similar across different scales. Have you heard of a tessellation? What is tessellation? Tessellation is a pattern of shape that fits perfectly together. Have you seen this before? Yes, you're right. It's a sunflower, a tessellation found in nature. Do you have an idea about this pattern? That is spiral. Spiral is a curved pattern that focus on the center point in a series of circle shape that revolves around it. Fibonacci pattern. Fibonacci is a sequence of numbers in which each successive numbers in the sequence is obtained by adding the two previous numbers in a sequence.